Oriri na dia kana country ka ko blues kana classical kana pop kana R&B kana ballad easy like a Sunday morning.
Easy like a Sunday morning.
Yes. Kushia nirwa you can nirwa it was Steve O. That one. There's a song like that. But back in the days Sunday mornings were not as easy as Sunday afternoon. Yes. Na Sunday kwa umwo kanitha ari ni kwale category cia activity kuringana uria mwikarite. You see there is a time ando all the ni mathia kanitha.
Yes,
everybody itondu rugongo tene gutia the main religion yani Christianity.
Yes. Almost 99%.
99.9
something percent.
You would not have had an excuse at the
donathie kanitha niki kawe murwaru.
Are you the devil? No, there's a new generation matarathie kanitha and that needs to be worked on thoroughly. Kanitha ni athia o religious ona ni wahuragwo rucini
ti kwanja wi mwana uge nduguthi kanitha otigwo muci ugika atia.
Actually you would be examined ugete wena maumivu fulani wera what ko kwaga yugothi hoyo
uhone
wera twende ukachukue muujiza muujiza wako ukiringana na mwako muikarite there were people who you would know their routine tondu guo ya kanitha yari ino
imwe.
Yes.
Actually some people Sunday noguo muthenya uria matheraga.
Yes. And the family na ni amenyagwo na theme kara yao. Uria wakinya main farabereri ni ora akauga ria ni amambatiriire kaigua fulana icio ni cia kwa nyina wa mutumbi. No, people will know your wardrobe. They would do a lifestyle audit.
Mwahituka bara ni mwamenyekaga. Ni family yangania.
Yes. Ni mwamenya ogiona Tokyo iromaniriire.
Toki.
Ule to heto awasaro.
Ule veterinary.
Yes. Well, there are a few. Wakoraga they have a variety. But most of us guo ya kanitha
yari yo.
Na niyo yetagwo ya guthie ki
handu. No ya guo ya kumagara.
Yes. Na kugikorwo inyu mutikarite wega ki modori. Guo yo ndwa mekira more than 4 hours.
Tondu ni wiharirie wikire actually urikie kunyua chai nigetha wikire nguo
urikania na mwaki
na irio nigetha wikire nguo
ucoke uthi ihoero ria mwathani
service mehea atmost yikarite muno mathaa macio
mwaco ukura mucoke muhunjerio okay no ko because it is your only
Sunday best.
Yes. Oka meaura and you store it back. Yeah, na mezire ya buge uthikari ya wegika.
Ya buge in session. Session yari keke rio.
Yes. Riu athie okaruta mubuto ucio ugacokia riu matangari maku maki.
Mako ndirai maku ma survival.
Mautinda. Na perforation na ventilation.
Na matangĩhota kwetheka ni macipwire.
Yes. Oko ni mwitu agacokia karinda yake kairaka. Agacokia into the rural element.
Na iratu pamure akaiga thi.
Wega biu. Pamu akaiga thi aka down to earth. Of course that depended on the earnings of your family. We family me iguite. Yes. Ni wakora ona ni arathaka mubira na nguo iria gukite nacio kanitha na ndarorio.
Acio ni andu meiguite sana.
Araura penalty na Northeaster.
Kirato kia duka.
Yes. Huko ni mwitu teroro kwa unaguo ya gorofa.
Na fulana ya Kenyau.
Yes. Nani ya ivugo. Sunday afternoons are not the same. For everybody. Yes. Kwa mundu wathi yakwa wakora gutire ginya dalili ya mushigo ginya wa gitungu.
Tiga irio.
Okay, mafati. Ito contraction and expansion makiaba.
Neriwa.
How neho bare ukwajia mororo. Yes.
Na mororo sana ne kuhangira nda.
And if you are not good socially, you would just hoover around like a spirit.
Like a spirit.
Aimlessly. But if you had a good social, appeal, niwa kwa family me oya market. When you go gea wagi, no thimu egiti okoro.
No thie egiti eko.
Yes.
Odoe.
Na misio diare migiwa koraga Saturday. Sapa ne maruga na maga factor irio cia Saturday ke.
Lunch.
Yes.
Mau makanitha tigoka kuruga.
Haha ne kuhio.
Ne kuhio hia.
Na matigo akiago. They will not use firewood foraged from the forest. They have other
sources of energy.
Yes. Oko na mama. Mauna na mudu safasi isi.
Igere. Na makahio hia dego na boga.
Imaboga dego noga soko na mena ituda. Yes.
Hena irigure ya muraru.
Yes. Na thamo cia ore dehe hagia sai.
Ukabenya ne makinyire.
So aciaria ko mai ko re mathi ya kanitha ngoro ciao cie theru hari Kristo ri na tio hingari. Ne mauga atiri o mundu enyorere muthoni okoya thani ugathiururuka like the beggar you are.
You and your bakori and a bakori mission.
You peasant. You make a lap of no honor.
Foraging for
for take and depending on the mwanos wako wa inheritance teu au atiririo kanini na kanene ugacoka muru wako wa irake
gatoero
leo irio ciaku gakoro stire mubango they are maki.
No na okauga ngaragure.
Yes.
Thoni ucokie igoti. We ohune.
Okauga ciatuka na ndari. Cithia nda eno.
Emwe.
Yes. Okauga mori atiriri. He mundu renda ucuru ukamenya we tondu appetite yaku iguri. Okauga ndengonyua. You know you are looking for quantity. Your Sunday afternoons are not the same. They are not.
Ukauga keriundu ni giuke
na ni warakaraga muno ori safaci iria cireigitwo ira cikiano muci ucio ri ukona gwoka competition ya your brother.
Who are this? Spread the
poverty around. I mean, we cannot all look poor in one place. Confuse the community.
Spread the poverty.
No, there were homes you would imagine. Okay, what really? Kaivio to us yareiruo. Thought was you on that Sunday. It's family bonding day. They will do nothing.
Ku Sunday afternoon acio matia korwo no undu wa gwika ni kuria ku relax.
Ona mundu wa wira ni murekererio ri otuagira ng'ombe. Inyo kwanyu ni inyo andu a wira.
kuri mundu wa wira na ne aheagwo off riu afternoon ya Sunday
karanjiri aria agatiga ikiria ng'ombe ki
mahuti
inye mutiando murahutania na ki kwanyu ni amenya after gukorokera guku wakorokera ri no urithie ruwi
na ng'ombe cianyu no igwetereire
ukarigwa I mean this what is haya na radio aya nao ri magetikirio marute muto mwe maige rungura mukondo kana muhembe
ati me relaxing
uko na mami wako akira makaire tukao na akira nyamwene ana mago making'ang'i he akiripka
makike okira kinini gikejo na magathi
hendio cero mithi wanyu ri nawe mutitigaine ki mauthi mwaregia gukorokera nda ciiganira ri tondu mutieti nda muikareti anduni tondu itunda bin bad manners ningigweterera sapa
wabete okaokoerwo ranji
after offsetting their fraction
ni guthukania the mathabu of irio
hau riu no wanje uthie na rui utiuragia ngai ciuria ugifura ngiri na muti
Ene ni time uroraga no one 2 hours would look like an entire day.
What are you saying? You would guess that the sun won't no wire arugamerio riwa ne Jehova ne Joshua ukonata Joshua arugamerio riwa re teriwa ne arugameo hau riri no radio rikiu mo hau no Sunday afternoon was like 2 days more haru
no sometimes you know asiari nema kumagira kwanja raji hituke na magakena muno kanitha ya extend
yes na hede umagia na presentation no itwe faith itu yare iguru muno and you still come back to church na uga to muthirio ciake
ya gutuigana
yo no ko sti kuma gwitu
we bora irio cioneke
wathio coincidentally we muri moyo uri warora nwe bebe he undu cia handa igatigirwo gabara ga guthikia ndaru warora kona pio ria nikimemia anyu onake no gufurera
ukamenya kire arahangira no kio arahangira.
You see the slightly good thing about rural poverty ni obanagirwo ni aria mataikarite u it's not like urban poverty
yasa
rural poverty ni ugio giathirio ciere kundu no kore ni maigi ugiathie kuria kwi wondondo wa geni ni wamenya andu aria matagaga nyungu ki
agitheri
we kundu gwatura nyungu
no ona mitie miingiri ndungiagire githeri nyungu yes
wera oya kaihuri hau aika ukabo kanyitirira ki
ukanyitirira mara
then you quench yourself with a 15 of water because there are no glasses there. Then when you grew older, if you are not from those well-up families, they we teenage, we come, you know, a young teenager. Sunday afternoon, you are with your fellow idol family, so that you cheat each other. Sunday afternoons are not the same.
No, they are not the same. Not the same.
We family wakora ati mau makanitha makaruga ma stage metereire matatu matwarwo handu
those were there.
Okay, gwete mathie maragwa
we
no ngeiguire kuri uthia ko jahazi mwena wa irio ati ni maumagara. You see now that is asking too much matigo
ona ni kuone ko tari hadafu iyo andu amenya ari we mwihoko waku riu muthenya ucio ni wako bobana.
Sunday afternoon wake na ria waigua kwanyu ni kuo gukorwo ngwataniro tondu amenya muthenya ucio ni no kuharirio
kindu.
Otherwise there were some people who had resigned to fate that Sunday Raj iriagwo
kwao.
Yes.
Iwe ni we busy uria gutinda ukiurura ka mukinyitana na your fellow foragers we keep busy no ndu.
Yes. Your fellow vigilantes.
Ni thaa kenda na 46.